Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit video for Instagram with Capcut. So let's get started. Here I have my Capcut opened, and if you want to edit video for Instagram, actually we can use templates that has been available on Capcut. We can tap on this template button, and these are the templates that we can use. These are the templates made by the other creators, and we can use it for free. We just need to scroll down to find the templates that we want. But if you are not satisfied with this template, you can make your own template by clicking on this edit button to go back to the Capcut homepage, and we can click on new project and just select the video that you want to edit for your Instagram video. And for example, I'm going to edit this video, so just tap on the video, and after that we can click on add button right here, and then the video will be imported to our project. And to create Instagram video, guys, it's actually depend on what kind of video we would like to create. It cannot be the same with me and you. It will be so different among the creators. However, something that will be the same is the ratio of the video. If we want to create Instagram video, we usually use this ratio, this 9:16 ratio. So just tap on it, and then we can click on this check mark after we selecting the ratio. Okay, and after you choose the ratio, you just need to edit the video as you like. For example, if you want to add text, so just tap on text right here and click on add text, and you can type the text that you want to add on your video. And for example, I'm going to add like quotes. Alright, and after we are done, we can change the font. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and we can also change the style of the font. We just need to click on style right here. Okay, and after we're done, we can click on this checkmark button, and we can adjust the length. And we can also put music to make our Instagram video more engaging. So just tap on the audio button right here, then click on sounds and choose the sound that you want to add to your video. You can choose either you want to use music or sound from Capcut, or you can also add the sound from your device. And for me, I'm going to go with sound on my device, so I'm going to tap on this button, then click on from device, and just scroll down. I'm going to choose the sound, so just tap on the sound. Okay guys, and now the song has been added to our video. And then I'm going to adjust the length, so just tap on the sound, then we can click on the split, then remove the unwanted part of the song. Alright, okay guys, and that's how we can edit video for Instagram with Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.